Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a template. Go to Templates. Open your PDF. We are going to create a template for certificates. Click on Templates and select Manage Roles. To be able to assign the task, we need to create a role. Create a role of your choice and click on Submit. Click on Templates again. Select Text Box. Adjust the box size. Place it correctly. Adjust text size. And assign it to user you have created. We will need one more text box. Simply scroll down and select Duplicate. Once you duplicate, it will be automatically assigned to the same user. Now we will add date. Go to Templates and select Date. Place it and assign it to the user. Now our template is prepared and we can use it for documents in future. Click on Save. When you are ready to send it, right-click on the PDF and select Create Document. Now is time to assign the user for this document. Add New User and click on Submit. Select the new recipient and click on Create. You are automatically taken to Documents. Right-click on the PDF and select Sign Request. Double-check the recipient and click on Send. Now I will log in into my other account so we can carry on with the process. Go to Signing Requests. PDF document is pending, click on Sign. Fill in required information and click on Finish. You can download copy of the document here. Let's go back to the sender account now. Right-click on the PDF and select Open Edit. Sign the document and click on Finish. The document is now completed and signed. Go back to Templates and open the original document. You see the template is unchanged. The point of these templates is that it is ready to go. All you have to do is create new and assign the document to different recipient and use the same document over and over again. Well done. You have learnt how to create a template. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.